flood happening. Look at this. It's right over the sidewalk. Right over all those rocks. Flooding the bushes. Yikes. Yikesy. Wow. This is usually all grass right here. My goodness, I don't think I've ever seen it like this. That is crazy. But I guess compared to some places, this is nothing. Right? Oh my goodness. There is no trail. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at that, guys. That is unbelievable. Okay. We won't be walking through that path. Okay, we're gonna go up this way, guys. We gotta go this Mojo. Mojo, we can't go on the path. There isn't one. Oh, I tell ya. That is unbelievable. Through the whole trail, it is flooded. All the way around the lake. Interesting.